Alright guys, I got this new package in the mail. I'm pretty sure it's the new seat post for the Magna. Let's just jump right into it. Okay. Well, this one feels like it's alloy. It is alloy. Sweet. This will actually be a lot lighter. The other one was actually pretty heavy. Here we are with the Magna bike project. I just got the new seat post. This one's actually alloy, and the old one was made from steel. Not the old one. The one I had ordered that was wrong was made from steel. It's actually pretty heavy. The new one is really light, and they look to be about the same length, approximately. So let's just make sure that it fits in the actual bike seat post tube first before I get carried away again. It does look like that's going to fit. Okay. Here's the difference in length from the old seat post. Probably still be way too tall, but we'll check real quick. I'm about to clamp the seat post down so that I can go and ride it and check to see if the seat height's where I need it to be. Alright guys, installing this new seat post made this bike significantly more comfortable for me to ride, but now I think the front handlebars are too low. So I might get some 5-inch rising mountain bike style handlebars for it, but we'll just have to see.